Get ready. Google just rolled out an update to Play services that's bound to shake up the way your Android device runs behind the scenes. Whether you love your Android phone, wear a smartwatch, or even use Android TV, these new changes touch nearly every corner of your mobile experience. But here's where it gets interesting. Some of these modifications could drastically change how you interact with your favorite apps, and not everyone agrees on whether this is for better or worse. Let's dive into the Play Services version 25.37 update, released on September 22, 2025. This update brings a host of enhancements, spanning bug fixes, stability improvements, and a handful of brand new features, some of which have the potential to make your daily digital routines noticeably smoother, if not a little controversial. What's new in Play Services v25.37? Smarter account management. First up, Google has focused on making account management more robust. If you struggled with random sign-in errors or account sync hiccups, expect a new level of reliability. Google says it's fixed stability issues for account features on phones. Welcome news for those who rely on their Android for personal and work profiles. Developer tools, more power, more responsibility. Here's a big one. Developers can now use an enhanced Android document scanner on phones, letting you scan multiple pages simultaneously in real time. Imagine needing to digitize a contract or a set of receipts quickly. This feature can make those scenarios a breeze. Even more intriguing, Google and third-party developers get new tools enabling advanced account management features across Android Auto, phones, TVs, and Wear devices. This could mean you'll see more sophisticated, seamless account features in apps you already use. But it also raises concerns about user data management and app complexity. How much trust should we put in third-party apps handling our account details? Device connections get a tune-up. Both phones and Wear devices benefit from crucial bug fixes related to connecting devices. If syncing your smartwatch or linking Bluetooth accessories has been unreliable, these improvements aim to reduce headaches and interruptions. Location timeline accuracy. Checking into places using your Android has gotten smarter. They promise better timeline accuracy when you use the location check-in feature. For those who use Google's timeline to track places visited or to remember that little cafe from last weekend, these quality improvements could be a game changer. Easier access to Android support. A simple but overlooked addition. Finding information about the latest Android features is now more accessible right from your phone. No need to dig through websites or forums anymore. Upgrades for wallet users, and a hot take for developers. In Japan, Android fans can now set up notifications for balance changes on their travel cards. Even more notably, developers now have the ability to sideload closed-loop cards into Google Wallet. This step could open doors for specialty cards or localized payment systems, but it also invites debate about security and potential misuse. How do you feel about developers having more ways to add cards to your wallet? Google Play Store gets a makeover. And this is the part most people miss. The Play Store itself is also getting tweaks with its 48.1 update. Now you'll get clearer reminders when new app installs are ready to use. The interface adds protections against accidental disabling of security features, and Play's editorial pages get a facelift on both phone and PC, showcasing trending apps and content in a more eye-catching format. Manga fans rejoice. Comics Hub now offers a centralized place for all the latest manga releases. What's the big picture? Google's latest batch of updates promises a smoother experience, but it also introduces new ways for apps and developers to interact with sensitive features like account management and wallet cards. Some users may embrace these changes as steps toward greater convenience and control. Others might wonder about privacy and the growth of third-party capabilities. So what's your take? Do you welcome these new tools and fixes? Or do you have concerns about where Google is headed with all these improvements? Does granting app developers more access to your account features and digital wallet excite you or make you nervous? Share your thoughts below. Let's hear where you stand on these latest changes.